to fix your game keep crashing on PS5. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. I'm back with a new video. Today in this tutorial, I'll let you guys know the ways to fix your game keep crashing on PS5. So if you want to fix this issue, then you have to follow the steps. First of all, you could try this, that is restarting your PS5. So restart your PS5 console can help fix video game crashes and freezes by clearing the system cache of obsolete data. It's a simple first step that can often solve the problem. So just press the PS button on your DualSense controller, select the power icon and select Restart PS5. Apart from it, you could also try updating the system software. So updating your PS5 console ensure it run the operating system's latest and the most stable version, reducing the likelihood of crashing problem and other performances issues. To update the console system update, so select settings on the top right corner of the PS5 home screen, and after which you want to go to the system, and once you go to the system, click on system software, update and settings. After which you want to go with the update system software. Then you want to go ahead and update the internet. Once you do it, so this should be able to fix it. Apart from it, you could also install video game. Apart from it, you could also try deleting and reinstalling the game. This should be able to fix the issue. So these are some of the methods that can help you fix your game keep crashing on PS5. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.